Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys 4 websites that I get inspiration from to do the design and development of my websites. Coming in at number 4 is landingfolio.com, and all these will be in the description below. This one is, of course, for landing pages, and these are incredible. You're able to see the live site, the desktop version, the mobile version, and you're able to really put these in Figma, use the mimic method, and create stunning websites. And this is definitely one of my favorites. Coming in at number 3, we have godly.website. And this is another one of my favorites. And this one is also great. It has stunning websites. It has a great search feature. So whichever you're looking for, it will probably have it. If I just press agency and click one, you're able to open the actual website and you're able to see everything, the type, the style, the fonts, it has everything. So coming in at number 3, one of my favorite ones is called Landbook. And I'm also assuming that everyone watching this video knows about Dribbble. It's just a way to have other ones other than Dribbble. Dribble's amazing also, but this is for sure one of my favorite ones. I just finished a website and I use this as part of my inspiration for the color. And so if I click on one, it's the same sort of thing. You can go to the real website and it has the actual website that you can put in and tells you the fonts, everything. So I love this one. It's really, really nice. So definitely put this in your toolbox. Now, coming in at number 1, we have Site Inspire. This one has the best search, I feel like. So you can search for style, types, subjects, everything. So if I scroll down, you'll be able to see. I'll just click one. This was just one day ago. Somebody made this. You can see the live site, everything. So if this has been helpful to you, please comment down below. Let me know if you guys have any others. I'm going to continue to make videos like this. So if anybody has any questions, let me know. My website's down below. You can contact me.